Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will present a paper entitled Classification of Maturity Level of Palm Fresh Fruit Bunches using the Linear Discriminant Analysis Algorithm. With author including Rahmat Indah Berman, Faculty of Engineering and Computer Science Universitas Tenggara Indonesia, Dwi Eli Kurniawan, Departemen of Informatik, Politeknik Negeri Batam, Setiawati, Faculty of Engineering of Computer Science Universitas Tenggara Indonesia, Imam Ahmad, Faculty of Engineering and Computer Science Universitas Tenggara Indonesia, and then Debbie Alita, Faculty of Engineering and Computer Science Universitas Tenggara Indonesia. The background of this research include Indonesia became the country with the first rank as the largest palm oil exporter in the world in 2020, in which the total export of Indonesian palm oil was recorded at 37.3 million tons with a global market share reaching 55%. The harvesting process needs to be considered because of the harvest is carried out in a stage of immature fruit. The free fatty acid content produced is low. To classify image of oil palm fresh fruit bunches based on pattern and to learn to find combination of features using linear discriminant analysis or LDA. The following are the stages of the research carried out. Image acquisition. The image acquisition data used were 15 images of ripe and unripe fruit bunches respectively. Then for the test data, it's using 10 images of ripe and unripe fruit bunches. Next stage, image transformation. At this stage, the RGB image is transformed into an LAB image so that it can be used for image segmentation. Next stage, image segmentation. The image segmentation method used is thresholding to separate object from the background. This method is used to convert image data into binary data in order to facilitate the feature extraction process. Next stage, feature extraction. Feature extraction is color extraction using hue saturation value or HSV, which consists of mean, standard deviation, and skewness feature. Last stage, classification with LDA. LDA aims to obtain an optimal projection so that it enters space with smaller dimension by looking for pattern that can be separated. Result and discussion. The first step is to input the image to be tested. Next, the color space transformation from RGB image to LAB image. This function aims to identify color content digitally. Can be seen in the picture, original image transformed to LAB image. The next step is to convert image data into binary data with the aim of simplifying the feature extraction process. Can be seen in the picture, original image transformed to binary image. Furthermore, feature extraction is performed using HSV, but previously at this stage, the image is subjected to morphological operation to improve the segmentation result. Then the color space transformation is carried out from RGB image to HSV image. It aims to easily group the characteristic of the image based on hue and saturation. Can be seen in the picture, original image to HSV image. Then after the hue and saturation have been identified, the image is classified using LDA. The working of LDA are based on dispersion metric analysis with the aim of obtaining optimal projection so that they enter into space with smaller dimension by finding pattern that can be separated. Furthermore, the implementation of the LDA algorithm on the classification of oil palm fresh fruit branches is implemented in a GUI application using MATLAB. Can be seen the image of the application of classification with LDA in the MATLAB application. Next is a test accuracy, where accuracy is obtained from the number of correct prediction divided by the total number of images multiplied by 100. The test data used were 20 images with 10 ripe and 10 unripe fruit images respectively. From the graph, it can be seen the accuracy for ripe fruit is 90%, meaning that there are 10% inaccurate image data. As for unripe fruit, the accuracy is 80% and so 20% inaccurate image. But overall, the average accuracy obtained is 85%. This shows that the linear discriminant analysis algorithm or LDA algorithm is still quite good in classifying oil palm fresh fruit branches. Conclusion: this paper finds that image processing of oil palm fresh fruit branches classification using the linear discriminant analysis or LDA algorithm produce an average accuracy rate of 85%, which is obtained from the comparison between the accuracy of the classification result with the actual result. The LDA algorithm is able to optimize the distribution of input data between different classes. Thank you. That was my presentation. I end this presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.